In this video, we will be showing you how to assemble the FID weight bench. To assemble, you will need a wrench and a socket wrench. In the package, you will find the backrest cushion, part 26, the mainframe, part 1, seat cushion, part 25, the leg lift, part 16, the foam rollers, part 22, the backrest support, part 14, the front leg base, part 2, the front leg support and support cannulation, part 30 and 11, accessories, slide collar, part 6, leg lift weight tube, part 31, and all hardware is included. Align the front leg base so the bottom bracket openings match with the openings of the front leg base. The wings from the base and the legs of the support must face in the same direction. With the openings aligned, install using a M10 70mm bolt, part 17, an M10 washer, part 4, and M10 nut, part 13 on both openings. If all three square end caps, part 3, are not already installed, push them in the respective openings. If you find the pieces of the slide collar disassembled, assemble them now. From the bottom of the mainframe, slide the slide collar to an opening of your choice. Once you have aligned the slide collar to an opening of your choice, grab the pop pin, part 7, and twist to secure the pop pin to the opening you have chosen. Align the openings of the mainframe to the openings of the front leg support bar. Make sure that the bottom half of the mainframe is aiming at the floor to make sure both bars align properly. Secure the mainframe and the front leg support bar by using an M10 30mm bolt, part 28, two M10 washers, part 4, and an M10 nut, part 13 on both openings. Locate the opening at the bottom of the mainframe and push the back base, part 8, so all three openings align properly for installation. Secure all three openings by installing three M10 15mm bolts, part 5, with M8 washers, part 23. Once the back base is installed onto the mainframe, place a leg cap, part 9, on each side of the base to prevent the base from sliding. Place the bottom section of the support cannulation, part 11, between both openings of the slide collar. This is the shorter side of the cannulation. Once all openings are aligned, slide the M10 75mm, part 12 bolt with a washer, part 4, and secure with another M10 washer and M10 nut, part 13. Align the openings from the backrest support, part 14, to the respective tubes. Middle openings to the upper part of the support cannulation, and bottom openings to the main frame. Secure to the cannulation by using the M10 150mm bolt, part 15, with M10 washers, part 4, and tighten with M10 nut, part 13. To install the leg lift, part 16, to the front leg support, all additional parts must be installed. Both 2-inch round caps are inserted to both tube openings. Insert the leg lift weight tube, part 31, and secure with the spring clip, part 19. The back pole must be covered with the round bumper, part 20, to avoid scratching or damage to the front leg support. Hold the completed leg lift to the opening of the wings of the front leg support and align to the middle openings from the leg lift. Secure to the support frame by using the M10 85mm bolt, part 29, with M10 washers, part 4, and tighten with an M10 nut, part 13. Align the openings from the back of the seat cushion, part 25, to the openings of the mainframe, and align the openings from the back of the back cushion, part 26, to the openings of the backrest support. Secure all 8 openings by using all M8 25mm bolts, part 24, and M8 washers, part 23, until both cushions are secure. Slide 3 leg lift tube rods, part 21, into their appropriate openings. If they do not have the 1-inch round bumpers, install now. There is a total of 6 foam rollers. Install 2 to each leg lift tube rods. Thank you for watching this how-to video. For more information and help on this product, click on the link below.